Here we are ready for black cherry tomato harvest. Lots of them. One. Here it is. One in my hand. Second one. Third. Fourth and fifth. Lovely cherry tomatoes, black cherry tomatoes, and two more over there. And here are the other two tomatoes ready, black cherry tomatoes. If I just touch them, they fall into the hands. So here we have around 7 black cherry tomatoes.